Hey guys, my name is Disri. I'm a junior here at McMurtry College. I'm originally from Vacaville, California, but my family just recently moved to San Antonio. I'm majoring in mechanical engineering.
I'm Emily. I'm also a junior here at McMurtry. I'm originally from Glen Ridge, New Jersey, and I'm majoring in cognitive science with minors in biochemistry and medical humanities.
Hey guys, I'm Olivia. I'm from Tampa, Florida. I'm also in cognitive science and doing psychology. Yeah.
And we're your 3 OE coordinators for McMurtry. The purpose of our job is basically to help you get assimilated into Rice culture academically and socially. First, this video is to show you around McMurtry, kind of the spaces that we have around here, and go into one of the rooms to see like where you'll be living in McMurtry. So let's go.
Yeah. Cool. All right, so this is Jackie's office. So Jackie is our college coordinator. You can come in if you need mail or candy. She always has coffee. She's super great just to come in and chat. There's always people in here, and she just got 2 new couches, so it's a great like study hangout spot. And then through here, you can check your mail. You all have a mail key, and then there's also packages over here. And she also has like stamps and stuff. So if you ever need to mail anything, you can do most of it from here.
This is our college commons. It's shaped like a circle. There are a bunch of windows, so we get a lot of natural lighting. There are tables, everyone eats in here. A lot of people stay in here to study after that. During the year, they have posters with everyone's birthdays up in this area. And another thing that we're really proud of here at McMurtry is our IM sports, specifically our Powder Puff team. We have won a couple championships recently. We recently put these banners up to celebrate our wins. And when you guys come to McMurtry, you can join the team and help us get even more wins.
Woo! Alright, so this is Fit. This is one of my favorite spots at McMurtry. It's super chill. You come up here at night and you can see like all the lights. It's really pretty. You can look out at the quad. And then there's also a really nice view of downtown. People also come up here at lunch and eat sometimes. And there are upperclassmen and sophomores who live. So there's like 4 suites, one on each corner.
And then, they're all closed suites, but they also like host events as well throughout the year. We're gonna go into the Bert's and D's lounge later. Those lounges are basically, Bert's is like a tea house lounge. It's also kind of a kitchen as well. So there's like also tea and like stuff in stock there, so you can make your own drinks. And then DD's like a gaming lounge, which is on that side of McMurtry. And that's more like there's a TV and there's like a Wii in there, so people sometimes go there to play Smash and stuff. So yeah.
All right, this is Bert's Tea House. As we mentioned before, this is the place that everyone comes to drink tea, hang out, fill up their water bottles. Over here on this table, usually there is, it's fully stocked with tea from McMurtry. Then right behind us over here, we've got the water cooler that you can use to fill up your water bottles with cold water or to get warm water for your tea. Couches, everyone comes up here to hang out. And then over on the other side, there's a mini kitchen. So we got oven, microwave, sink, cabinets, fridge, and then this cabinet is fully stocked with baking equipment. So if you ever want to bake cookies, cakes, use cutouts for your cookies, they're all in here.
So this is our 2nd floor lounge. It's basically a study room. People come here to just do homework, and it's mostly just like a study spot, not really a hangout spot, but there's a study room and a kitchen on each floor. So no matter where you're living, you have things that are really accessible to you.
Yeah, and then if you come in here, we can show you one of our first rooms. So this is a double. A lot of the freshmen be living in doubles. It's an 18 by 18 room. As you can see, there's like usually a lot of windows in each room. So you have a lot of natural light. There's 2 beds on each side, but you can always like rearrange this or whatever when you come. And you have a desk, a chair, a small drawer, and a big dresser for like your clothes and stuff. So basically the only things you need to really bring are like your clothes, anything you want to decorate the room, your bedding and stuff like that, and any toiletries. And then Emily will go and explain the bathroom.
Yes, so in every single McMurtry double, you have your own bathroom. So inside of here, everyone has a toilet, a sink, a shower, And these are pod bathrooms, which means that they're more eco-friendly and the floor is connected throughout like the shower and toilet area. So to make sure that water doesn't get all over the bathroom, a lot of people will buy squeegees to squeegee the water into the drain, or make sure they get a long enough shower curtain that the water can't run through. And the toilets are also eco-friendly. There are 2 buttons. You press the top one for number 1 and the bottom one for number 2. And so it uses the proper amount of water so you're not wasting water every time you flush. Then over here is the closet. So inside the closet, on this side there are shelves that you'll split with your roommate. So there are 6 total shelves, each person will get 3. Then over here you have a little mini walk-in version with you can hang stuff. There's a little shelf up there. There's a little room on the bottom too, and there's one of each of these for your roommates. So that's the McMurtry double.
Okay, so now we're at one of our suites. This is an open suite because there's no door right here. And there's 2 open suites and 2 closed suites on each floor. So the closed suites are at the end, and then the open ones are both in the middle. And each suite has 6 singles that are make it up. And so there's 3 here, a bathroom, and then on the other side there's 3 again, another bathroom. And so in suites, usually there's like parties or people just like hang out, do homework. And the culture kind of depends as to like which upperclassmen are living there, but generally they're super inclusive and really inviting. And so you can see like people like do movies, and then they have puzzles and stuff like that. So it's just like a really chill space.
Hey, so thank you so much for watching our tour. Those are all the important spots around McMurtry. We're really looking forward to meeting you guys. You'll be here so soon. If you have any questions, email us at mcmurtryaweek@gmail.com. And we are looking forward to meeting you all.
Yeah.
Woo!
Always stop with tea and just like kind of hang out with their friends, and then we have to cut that.
Literally, while you were saying that, I was like,
You can check your mail, or you can write jokes. There actually are jokes a lot of the time. Thanks, Steffes. Okay, so yeah, and here you can.
Look at what you started from that one.
Are we too close?